Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your girl Katashi, and today I'm going to show you how I make my pumpkin punch. Let's get into it. So over here I have my boiled pumpkin, dragon, rum cream, nutmeg, vanilla, tin milk or condensed milk, and vanilla lasco. So I'm going to start off by putting my pumpkins in the blender, a little at a time. So I'm going to also add a glass of the pumpkin water, and this is the water that the pumpkin was boiled in. To add that, and then I'm going to give this to blend. So my darlings, when you're making my version of the pumpkin punch, you boil your pumpkins for at least 10 minutes and you add less than half of a teaspoon of salt to the water. Okay? Alright, so I'm now going to add more pumpkin water to my blender. And we're going to give that a next blend. It's not going to take long. And we're done. Now I'm just going to give it an extra blend to make sure all the pumpkins have mashed out. So guys, this is how you want your pumpkin to look when you finish blending. Like that. So now I'm going to add all these ingredients to my blender before I pour it in the pumpkin mixture. So in goes the dragon. We're going to add our nutmeg, half teaspoon vanilla. We're going to add our rum cream, and we're going to add our vanilla lasco. And I'm just going to blend this up. So now I'm going to add this mixture to the pumpkin. People, it smells good. It smells good. Can you just imagine the taste? Alright, so we're going to set the blender aside. I'm just going to mix that in like this. See that color? So after mixing this in, I'm now going to add our condensed milk to sweeten it. You don't have to use all of the condensed milk. You can just sweeten to taste to what you can tolerate. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes so it can get to chill. You can use ice, but I find that when you use the ice, to serve it, it gets a bit watery and weak on the top, so I prefer to just let it chill and then serve it. Soon come back. So there you have it, guys, my version of pumpkin punch. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Don't forget to also tell a friend to come check me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.